So I'll give you my first impression of Copenhagen, the first evening today over here, and it's an expensive place, and I'll tell you how. The coffee over here is for an espresso is for €5. In Lisbon you can get a coffee for under €1. In Italy you can get a Lavazza espresso between 1 to 2 euros. In Switzerland you can get from about 3 to 4 euros. In Germany you can get in between 2 to 3 euros. I'm talking about a nice cafe where you can go and sit down, and over here it's over 5 euros, so it's expensive. And of course India is also expensive. A barista over there, an espresso is between 2 to 3 euros, but over here. Welcome to my vlog. We are currently on our way to Denmark. We have actually crossed the border now, and we are on the famous suspension bridge, which is called the Great Belt Bridge, one of the longest suspension bridges in the world. The water that you see is not actually the sea, it's a strait that connects the Baltic Sea to the North Sea. There is another way to approach Copenhagen, that is by taking the ferry, but we chose this suspension bridge because we had heard a lot about it, and importantly, some of the engineers involved in constructing this bridge were actually consultants for the Great Chenab Rail Bridge, the highest rail bridge in the world located in Jammu and Kashmir. This is our first evening in Copenhagen, and currently we are in New Horn, which is the most popular waterfront and harbor area. We are planning to take the boat canal ride around the city. The last ride is at 8 pm, and we are targeting the 7 pm ride. Our first impression of the city is that people over here know English, which is a big relief. The announcements in the bus and the metro that we just took were also in Danish and English, which again is a big help, though Danish words are very difficult to pronounce. Welcome to Copenhagen. This is now our first evening over here. We drove down from Hamburg, about a 5.5 hour drive, including this fantastic drive over the bridge. I will put the video, and a bridge over the Baltic Sea, and now we are about to start the canal tour. The canal ride is for about 1 hour. It is summertime now, so it remains bright till about 10 pm. So we are sitting on a boat now, and we are about to start our journey, canal tour of Copenhagen. And they've got this multiple languages. Obviously, I have opted for English. These privately managed canal tours are not free for children. However, in Copenhagen and Denmark, palaces and museums managed by official authorities are free for children under 18. Even for public transport, it is half price for children under 15. So, this is quite a relief in terms of cost and pricing.